Hi guys, this is Charlotte Rose and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a beautiful day. Most of all, keeping safe. So guys, in this video I'll be revamping this old mirror I found at a local thrift store in my area. I've been looking for a mirror like this in forever. So you guys know when I found it, it was like, what? So I'll be using some TSP, BRASSO, you need gloves, Scotch Brite, a rag, a toothbrush to clean this mirror, okay? So guys, I found some other items along with that mirror, but tonight the piece of resistance is this mirror. Look how beautiful it's looking, guys. Beautiful. So I'm gonna take it from this frumpiness to all nice, shiny, beautiful and ready to use. Okay, I can't wait for you guys to see it. So if this is something you guys want to see, please continue watching this video. Don't forget guys, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and you will be the first to be privy to my new videos. Okay, today the thrift store was so packed. It wasn't even funny, guys. I almost turned away when I got in, but because I knew exactly what I wanted, and as soon as I stepped in I saw it, I said, you know what, let me just keep on going and do my thing. Okay, so I got this mirror. It's looking nice and vintagey. I don't know if I'm gonna paint this, guys, or just clean it up. It has a little nick right here, so I don't know if I can fix that or just, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. And I paid $19 for this. It's in, you know, it's in good condition. I could fix the back because as you can see there's tape and stuff like that in the back, but that's something I could fix. All right. Okay guys, so as you can see the mirror is a mess, so I'm gonna get to start cleaning this. I'm gonna start off with some TSP powder that I mixed with some water, and I'm just gonna wipe this down as best as possible and see how much of this grease and grime I could get off, all this old dirt and all that. I know it's not gonna get down in the nooks and cranny, but we got to do what we got to do because this mirror gotta come out. It gotta show out for me. Okay, so let's jump into this. All right, so this is my first time using the TSP on something like this, but as you can see it's working, guys. That first area there got nice and clean, and then this the area that wasn't touched at all yet, and that area there that the piece of mirror came off of, like I said, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but you know what, I'll just leave it. If I can't figure out what to do, it shows character, I think. It does. That it's been around the block. So I have this BRASSO that I'm gonna try to use to finish clean the mirror. I already did it with the TSP. It got off some of the dirt, but I don't know if this can't be the original look. So I'm gonna use this BRASSO and see what happens. So guys, I just started using the BRASSO and piece of the mirror came off. I mean, I could glue it back in, but you could see that the BRASSO is really cleaning it already. I just started and you could see the obvious difference. Pass the blue rag.
I thought you meant like the glass part of the mirror.
As you can see, guys, look at that difference right there compared to over there. Okay, so I'm gonna continue with the BRASSO. Alright, I'm not trying to restore this mirror to its original state because then that's gonna take forever, but I see it's got potential to look better, right? So guys, I'm gonna do that right now. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna use the Scotch Brite and I'm gonna scrub this little area here. It really needs elbow grease, like, guys, because this seems like this haven't been clean for years, you know. So if you're doing something like this, just be prepared.
It fit perfectly in this space. I ended up going with
You're not even noticing that it's getting like that, but I'm not trying to restore this to its original look. In all these little nooks and crannies here, I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes, really, because, you know, it's way deep down in there. So I'm gonna leave that. This side is looking nice. I'm wondering if I should be using some Brillo or something like that. Nah, maybe it will scratch it. So guys, I'm gonna get this done. Guys, look how different that side is looking. So I'm gonna let this sit, because all up in these little nook and crannies are really dirty. Really dirty. So guys, I got done cleaning this mirror. The nick is still there. I don't know what to do with it, so I'm just gonna leave it. You all see that it's vintage, so it's gonna come with nicks and all that stuff, discoloration, but this is the best I can get it. I know maybe somebody else could get it to look a little better. I think I need to wash right here a little better, which I did up here. But guys, it's looking beautiful. It's looking clean. Now I'm gonna clean the mirror and hang it up. That's it, guys. Brand new. Yes. So I got the front done, right? And this is what the back is looking like, guys. You could see how old this mirror is just by the paper in the back. All I have to do is this and it just breaks apart. Look at that. I'm not doing anything. You can see that the previous owner, they had put some tape and stuff back here. So I'm just gonna take that off. And like I said, the paper is just crumbling in my hands as I try to remove it. It's just crumbling. Look at that. I'm not even pulling hard. All I'm doing is touching it. Look at that. This is cold, okay? So that's that for this. I'm not sure if that paper is original to this now, but this is what it's looking like. So guys, I got done with the front of the mirror, so now I'm gonna deal with the back. I already took that old rotten paper off, and I think I wanna put some stick and peel paper on it. This is some stick and peel paper I picked up at one of my home decor store. I'm loving the pattern on this paper here, so I'm just gonna use it to give it a nice look in the back. I want the back to look just as beautiful and appealing as the front. So I'm just gonna cut the paper down to size. I'm gonna do it in half and half because it was wide enough. So that's what I'm doing here, guys. And if you ever find a mirror, guys, and you are loving everything about it except certain little things, just restore it, clean it, get it nice and pretty again. All right, so let's do this. So now that I got my paper down, I'm just gonna use the tips of my finger to get the paper down in the creases. That way everything is nice and neat, okay? We're going for nice and neat, okay? So I'm gonna do that for this area here and also the top portion that's missing. And you wanna use a utility knife or anything sharp to cut the extra pieces of paper off. I didn't have any X-Acto knife at that moment, so I just used a regular knife, as you can see. Anything to get the work done, okay? That's what it is. So this is what the mirror is looking like so far, guys. The stick and peel paper is laid out nice and flat, and there's no wrinkles or anything like that. So if you're gonna try this little DIY here, guys, you can make it the back of your mirror or anything, picture frame, look nice and neat as it is in the front. So guys, if you're still with me so far, please remember to go like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of every single time I put a new video up. So guys, the mirror is done, and the glass is shaking just a little bit, so I'm gonna put a bead of hot glue all around the edge just to keep it in place, you know. It's all glued up, so the mirror is sitting in place. It's not rocking back and forth no more. Wall time. I'm done.
So it's all like functional.
Doesn't this look brand new?
My hair used to be over
Who knew? This could even be the front, okay? Just for statement. It could be the front. It's looking beautiful. So it went from this old crumbling paper to this gorgeousness in front of you guys. Gorgeous, I tell you. So I want to know, guys, leave in the comment if you guys go thrifting. Do you leave it as is, as you found it in the thrift store? Or do you guys try to clean it if it needs cleaning? Do you add something to it? Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you do with your thrifting items, okay? I am loving this mirror, okay? So I'm gonna make some space on my wall here for this. Beautiful. So this is what the mirror is looking in this entryway. I am just loving that it had so much to this little area here. It's looking totally different to me with that gold just shining. Beautiful. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. And until the next video, guys, please go subscribe. Oh, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of every single time I put a new video up. So please go subscribe. See you in the next video.